Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Ever feel too tired after a long workday to tackle language learning? Then this is the right video for you. Los geht's! My name is Dustin. I'm an IT project manager from Germany. On this channel we create content that helps us to be more productive, to learn new things, especially languages, and to live a happier and more fulfilling life. Today we're diving into the lazy way to study a language, especially for those tired evenings when motivation is in short supply. Maybe after you've had a stressy day at work, university or school, or you've taken care of the kids all day. Get ready for some practical tips and tricks to keep your language learning goals on track with minimal effort. There are many people who want to learn a language but never succeed in doing it. Each year they try again, then after a few weeks the days begin to slip and they abandon their plans again. That's very sad because learning a language can be super enriching and it's not only good for your brain but can also give you new opportunities in life and trust in yourself that you can actually set yourself goals and achieve them. In many cases the reason for that is not to have the right strategy. In order to learn another language we need to spend a lot of time with it. So it's a marathon. Not a sprint, as I always used to say. By putting in the time each day over a long period of time, we can get our brain used to it and basically assimilate the language. But for that to happen, we need to have either lots of willpower or make it a pleasant activity that we're actually looking forward to. There's no other way how I could have learned my languages for almost 1,500 hours in 2023. It's not that I'm super disciplined, but I actually truly enjoy learning. Now let's discover how you can also have fun learning languages. As mentioned earlier, for most people it feels way less daunting to start learning a language by focusing on actually comprehending it. It means to be able to read, listen and overall understanding it. This way, you get used to the language, you can assimilate it. The scientific theory behind that was coined by the famous linguist Stephen Krashen, who says that in order to learn a language, you should consume comprehensible, means at the right level for you to be understood, and compelling input, which means interesting for you in specific. If you want to know more about that, have a look at this video here. Depending on your level of comprehension, the content will of course be radically different. If you are just starting out, then listening to a science-based podcast in your target language won't help much. So here are some tips. For complete beginners, I would advise to use material which has been specifically tailored to language learners. There are many YouTube channels for most languages with content that falls into this category. Especially having something visual while you are listening to it helps to boost your comprehension. Also for complete beginners, I would recommend to use language transfer if your language is available in the catalog to get a good overview about how the language actually works. It's completely free and I've already made a video about it somewhere here. When you have already a grasp of the language, then it can make sense to use kids series with subtitles in the target language to move forward. Those have an easy language and can be suitable for language learners as well. The next step would be to watch, read and listen to things that you know already. Maybe you have a favorite film or book, then try to read it in your target language. But having a translator tool at hand or using an app like LingQ to ease the comprehension. What also helps with your comprehension is to watch, read and listen to the same content over and over again. And last but not least, be okay with not understanding 100%. You should understand enough to know what's going on, but then learn to feel comfortable with it. Perfection doesn't exist. But only having comprehensible input is not enough, because it should also be compelling. If you get bored out, then you most likely won't be able to keep up your daily learning over the long run. This requirement is not optional. Don't neglect it, but be conscious about it. There's no need to suffer through stuff that is boring, except that the language doesn't have lots of content, of course. Stuff that is interesting to you will also stick better, because you're easier connected to other things you know already. It's also super motivational if you have, for example, a book that you really want to read and that you have maybe already bought, but cannot understand it yet. You can flip the pages and look at it from time to time, and after a while you'll be able to understand more and more, until at some point you can actually read it. It'll feel like a mist over a mountain that slowly lifts itself and suddenly you can see. That's a truly magical feeling. I, for example, do that relatively early when I start to learn a new language. That I go to a bookstore and get a paper book that I want to read once I'm advanced enough. Maybe even during vacation when you go to a country or so where they speak the language. Or you can also look up specialized bookstores that have books in different languages. The same I do for series and movies that I put already on my watch list to watch them at some point in the future. And last but not least, neglect grammar if it's boring for you. Of course, if you are passionate about it and it's interesting, that's a completely different story, then sure, go ahead. Another important point is to track your progress. Otherwise, it can be hard to see that you are actually making progress from day to day. If you see what you're doing and that you're moving forward, it'll be also easier to keep going. I would encourage you to track the time you spend with a language using a time tracking tool or just writing it into an Excel sheet or whatever. I've already made a video about that more in detail and I will also link it somewhere here. So to sum it up, comprehension first. Try to find stuff that you can understand and adjust along the way. Make sure that the content is also compelling. That's not optional. I can't emphasize on that enough. And learn each and every day while tracking your progress. Please let me know in the comments if you have any other tips when it comes to learning a language. I've got more language learning tips here. Or if you're interested in app reviews, I got a whole playlist for that as well here. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like and a subscription to the channel and to not miss anything going forward. Click also on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time.